Welcome to iNFOTAB by ABase. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up the company the first time you use iNFOTAB. If you've not already done so, please make sure that you have access to an iNFOTAB database. If you subscribe to the database cloud, you can come down to the right side, click on the iNFOTAB tab, and the cloud IP address will be inserted into the server address. If you have installed on your local machine, you can click localhost and the localhost IP address will be entered. If you set up the database on another server, you should enter the server IP address in the server address field. If you've not yet set up a database, you need to click the new database icon on the bottom right, and the new database icon will create the database in your MySQL server. Once you've selected the IP address, the database name, you're ready to log on with your username and password. Username and password are case sensitive. Let's log in. A window will appear that has told you you've successfully logged on. This will give us the poly menu. The poly menu gives us access to the different functions within the iNFOTAB system. For setup purposes, we go to the setup menu on the left side. Click it once and the poly menu will move slightly to the side to give us access to the system setup menu. First click Setup Company. We will get another window which will give us company name. We can enter the company name. Company address. We can enter the company address. Enter the telephone number, fax number, company email, and then we're ready to select the base currency of the company. In this instance, it's GBP for British pounds. All of the ISO codes are built into the lists. You select the appropriate one for your base currency, the currency that you normally operate in and normally bank in. You'll then have to enter a default sales tax or VAT rate. It's a percentage figure. In the United Kingdom, standard VAT rate is 20%, so we shall enter 20. And then we may want to insert our own logo. The iNFOTAB system allows us to insert a 200 by 43 transparent PNG image, and we can either drag and drop the image into the iNFOTAB system space, or we can get the logo from a dialog box by selecting the dialog box, looking for the image, opening that up, and the image is inserted. That image will now appear throughout the system on all of the documentation. Tax registration number, if you have one, enter it there, VAT number, and save our changes. Company details updated, that's okay. We are now ready to set up our location. Note that the oil power logo, our company, is now up in the top left hand corner. Set up the locations. This company is active in Glasgow, London, Manchester, Aberdeen, Cardiff, Belfast, Baku, Dubai, Houston, and they just opened an office in Doha. Save. Set up departments. We have admin, finance, operations, purchasing, sales, stores, human resources. We don't need to add anything there. We recommend as a minimum that you maintain admin, finance and sales departments. This will help you structure your business better. Other departments are optional. Save that. Industry sectors need to be added into the system. These are industry sectors that you participate in, and this company participates in the oil and gas, marine, offshore and petrochemical industries. You can save that. We can set up the sales functions. Sales functions in this case are design, service, trading, rental. You may have retail, it's up to you. If you need to see some examples, you can show examples here, hide examples. Select your appropriate sales functions and enter them one line at a time. Save that. Product groups. Product groups offered by this company are hydraulic service, filtration, hydraulic parts, equipment rental, pneumatics and filtration design. We will save that. No need to change anything. And then we have to set up our approval matrix. The approval matrix is who has to approve key documents before they are processed. This is a business control, so we have material requisitions and purchase requisitions that have to be approved. Material requisitions is where somebody in the company asks for material to be issued to them. Purchase requisitions is where we need to make a purchase order on a supplier. So material requisition in here we have engineering manager, finance manager, and no other approvals required. That's okay. Purchase requisition, project manager, finance manager, and CEO. I don't think the CEO is not required, so we will save that. Document set, okay. If you want to change your password, you can by changing your password. That's the setup complete. It's as easy as that with iNFOTAB. 5 minutes, we've set up a company. Thanks for watching.